My experience in one word, I'd have to say enlightening.
I think community right now. I think that like everyone here is just like kind of one big community right now, and I feel like I kind of know everyone.
And one word, I would say exciting.
I feel like if I were to describe it in one word, it would just be science, which maybe is basic, but I felt like a scientist, which is really nice. Even in like just the little things of like being in a room, looking at a computer, coding.
I like how I like learn a new thing every single day. I'm in a chemistry lab right now, and I'm usually not like used to chemistry, but I feel like it's really preparing me for the future. Even though like I'm not planning on doing biogeochemistry in the future, I still think it's like helping me learn skills every single day.
My favorite experience, if you would call it an experience, would be just meeting all the other students, staff, professors, everybody at KBS.
I think one thing I've learned that's new is like just integrating like a lot of the stuff I've learned in classes and applying that to like actually like studying population modeling and really what that means, because like it's one thing to learn it all in a class and it's another thing to actually use it. So that's been a good thing to learn here this summer.
I wanted to get some experience in an internship that was geared toward my degree, because I want to go into being like a zookeeper. So when I found out about this internship at KBS, it seemed like a very good and cool experience to have for the summer.